I did it! I got the bonus on Wolf Peak. I've tried to get the bonus on Wolf Peak my entire life. 23 games, $4 max bet. Wolf Peak, the bonus on Wolf Peak. No way! This could be massive. Massive! Oh my goodness. This is huge. Huge. Oh man. Never seen the bonus on Wolf Peak except online. Just online. We got bonus reels going. We got some aces there. Spinning wilds. Bring me some more wilds. We need some wilds. We gotta scatter. 3 games on Wolf Peak. Come on. Expand. More wilds. Wow, did you re-trigger on the bonus on Wolf Peak? Oh my goodness. Come on. Line it up, folks. 10 more games. Okay, we got a ×2 in the middle. There we go. There we go. This could be good. We need another one. We need another one in line 3. 3 or 1. 3 or 1. There's some whoopies. We need another one up front. We need one up front and one in 4. Let's do it. This is supposed to be massive. Come on. Hit it again. Ready? What's that? Lots of little ones in there. Come on. 5 more games. 5 more games. Let's go. Drop them. Drop them. We need wilds. Oh, fast spin. There's one. We got it for a couple. There we go. That's what we needed. This is 2 big ones right here. 2 big games. 19 out of 20. Oh, we only got 1 game left. Oh, come on. Do something big. $266 on a $4 bet. But hey, guess what? Guess what? We got the bonus on Wolf Peak. We got the bonus on Wolf Peak, which is a huge win. A huge win. The bonus on Wolf Peak. Not the 27X, but we still had a good payout. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that. Bonus.